Hi, Chris here, Martin Atkinson Specialist Vans. Another new Ford Transit Custom to preview today. This one is the Sport model. It's the 170 PS diesel automatic and it's a rare all-wheel drive model, so four-wheel drive model. Now this one is finished in a super blue. This one is called Digital Aqua. Really bonny colour. As usual, the Transit Custom Sport has the distinct styling, so a different front bumper, the stripes through the bonnet right down to the lower bumper, across the roof and down the rear doors, and decals to each side. As I say, high specification, the Sport, so it's got things like LED headlights, LED daytime running lights, front and rear park sensors, rear camera. As I say, it's got a different front bumper section, so has this Sport lower spoiler, honeycomb grille effect, and as I say again, stripes running right through the front bumper down to the bottom. Got the upgrade 19-inch silver black bicolour alloys, diamond cut alloys, Goodyear tyres. Got the decals running right down the side of the vehicle. Now this is what we call an L1H1, so it's a short wheelbase, low roof, standard roof height. Privacy glass to the side windows and twin side loading doors. There's a Sports top rear roof spoiler. Again, decals running all the way down the doors, down to the bumper, which also has this distinct Sport design diffuser in the rear bumper, park sensors and everything all in there. So two rear doors, barn doors on the rear. Now this one is delivery mileage vehicle, so 25 registered. So remainder of the Ford 3-year warranty from new. So keyless entry, that's standard as well. Has the electric driver's seat, Sport seat, so leather on the outer, cloth in the centre, lovely Alcantara feel on the bolsters, and this lovely blue detailed stitching, which are Ford Sport colours. Flat bottom steering wheel, leather multifunction steering wheel. Has a digital dashboard and the large infotainment system. So rear camera, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated seats, etc. all run through there. Column gear change on all these new Transit Customs. Single passenger seat. auto lights, folding mirrors, all standard equipment. Just open that side door there, so it's a triple bench in the rear, all isofix mounts, etc. Solid bulkhead, and it has what we call soft close. So basically, I'll just open that up and show you. So slide it to, and it pulls it to, so no slamming of doors needed. There we go. Now this one has been ply lined in the rear. Solid bulkhead, LED lights. So all ready for work. Vehicle's physical with us, so can be collected immediately, driven away. Holders and things, plenty of storage. There we have it. New Transit Custom 2525, sport model, 170 diesel automatic, all-wheel drive, 2525 registered, delivery mileage, available immediately. Will be live on our website in the next 10 minutes. Any further information, give myself Chris a call, 07888 989877. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.